Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. I've been doing this for 50 years. I can spew out everything you need to know in 5 minutes and you'll be well satisfied. I worked at IRS for 10 years, private practice 40, worked over 10,000 cases. I've been on TV a lot. You can see all my national news interviews at 777irs.com. And you can look at my team of former IRS agents and attorneys. Yeah, we do really good work. I do these videos for 3 reasons: so you don't get ripped off, so you know the truth, you know what honesty is. And if I can give you inside information and secrets of IRS, I go ahead and do that. Anyway, let me tell you about IRS audit and why using former IRS agents just only makes sense. You know, it just tickles me. It tickles me in this industry to see people using other people than former IRS agents to do audits. It blows my mind. It just blows my mind away. Why would you hire somebody outside the IRS system for an IRS tax audit? It makes no sense. If you're listening to me, I want you to shake you and say it makes no sense. If you've worked at IRS, you know everything they're going to do. You know every move they're going to make. You're always a step ahead of them. You know how to negotiate with them. You know the methodologies. You've worked hundreds and thousands of cases. You know what it's like to be involved in the very first letter that you get, how to stop the IRS from pursuing more things. You simply understand the system. People who are outside the IRS do not understand the methodology. They work case and they learn something. They work a case and they learn something. They work another case and they learn something. They work another. That's not true. At IRS, you are trained so well and you know every single move. It's not even a chess game. It's not even fair because you know the whole chessboard and you know every move that person's going to make. So I've really got to ask you at the end of the day, and I'm being dead ass honest with you, I don't care who you want to hire, but hire a former IRS agent who worked in the audit department, not in the collections, not in CID, nowhere else, who's worked in the IRS audit. They were a former, sorry, a little bit of the flu. I get all choked up because I get pissed off at people because they just do such amazing, silly things. Anyway, that's the way this thing goes. I'm telling you the truth. If you want your very best result, your very best result, your very best negotiating tactics, hire someone who worked at IRS. That's all I got to tell you, and it's the damn truth. It should make sense. Give me a subscription. God dang, I told you the truth. Goodbye.